So I saw a makeover the other day online, and it was a woman in her 60s who was really feeling frumpy. And the result was really pretty good. Her hair was beautiful, her outfit looked okay, but let me tell you how the stylist got her there. He gave her butt implants, so to speak, that you put in your underwear, to make your butt look bigger, a corset to make her waist look smaller, and then this thing, something about, I forgot what it's called now, but it's like a one piece kind of girdle where the bra is opened up so you can just get a little lift, a little squeeze. And I would never, ever advise one of my clients or any of you to do these things to make your body look better. Because if you're wearing the right clothes for you, you can look really good, a hell of a lot better, and not feel like something is going to explode on you or you're being tortured. I would never ask someone to put something in their underwear or their pants to make their butt look bigger so that their stomach and waist would look smaller. If you want to learn more tips on how to do this without corsets and girdles and bust thingamajiggies, then you need to get a ticket to my online workshop, the Know What to Wear workshop. It's happening on October 6th, 12 to 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it will be recorded. So if you can't attend there live, you're still going to get the recording, and therefore you're going to get the tips. Listen, I'm here to help you, not torture yourself to look good. I'm here to show you how you can be comfortable and gorgeous and buy the clothes that are going to work for you. Join me.